And honestly, you cannot tell me this is my hair. Look at it. I can't wait to silk this out and style it in more ways. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. When I say Nadula did their thing, they really did their thing with this one. This pre-everything wig is everything, okay? Everything. And it's my favorite hair texture. Kinky straight? Yeah. Give me all of them. All of them. Every single time. I promise the only thing that you really have to do is tint the lace. And if you want it to look extra good, you want to take that hot comb and just straighten everything out. So this wig came with a drawstring. It came with the clamps to tighten it at the back. It also came with an elastic band, and it came with clips as well. So extra support and tightness, okay? Honestly, I have no complaints. This is about to be my everyday wig. Like, I'm about to be wearing this wig every single day because it's just that cute. I haven't even done anything to the wig yet. Like, I haven't done anything to this wig yet. And look at it. I haven't put a flat iron to it. I haven't done anything. You guys see how easy this is. Get you one today. Like, this was too easy and it looks natural. Looks like my hair. This is a throw on and go wig for sure. You throw it on and you just go. But we are going to customize it, so let's go ahead and do that. So what you see me doing here is just hot combing, trying to find the part, y'all. I can never find the middle part, ever. Like, I am the worst at parting. But it still looks good. I eventually did get it, and yeah, look at it. It's so pretty, so pretty, and it looks so natural. When I did the lace in the front, just to make sure that that was looking natural, but other than that, I put nothing on this hair, and look at that natural shine that it has. Kinky straight every single time. Look at it. I can't wait to silk this out and style it in more ways. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.